Hello, kids. For reading today, we're going to take a look into the Epic Library, and I'd like for everyone to do at least one reading related to the concept of peace. And so, when we're using um, an online catalog for finding something related to a specific subject, you can go into the search bar and it says search by author, title, or keyword. Well, keyword is another way to say subject. So if our subject that we're going to focus on is peace, you can type in the word peace, and you have a whole bunch of different choices that come up, and they only show you 12 choices at first, but if you click show me more, you can find a whole bunch of other ones here. So make a selection from the peace books that show up, and if you have something fun that you'd like to share when you get to your reading time, it would be great to hear what you found. If you finish before your time is up and you still have time to spare, you can enjoy some reading on your own, find some peace and quiet, and enjoy your time.